I don't work all the morning time. Country just dey make some kind. Facebook just dey share some kind thing dem. Now I say ma just make my Njanga rice make quench my thirst. Njanga rice dey so e dey go banana, e dey go pear very badly. Today I go show una my own ingredients dem. How I dey make my Njanga rice. I no wan hear that thing say no be so. They dey put na head for fish, they need put tail for fish. The one na my own. Mo look for ingredient dem. I need Njanga. All man dey use Njanga for Njanga rice. No be so. At least we agree on that. Dry fish to the bideno. It dey give taste for that Njanga rice. Slice your onion small. Keep am for one corner. Blend your garlic and your ginger. Make sure say me smooth. Slice your tomato. Cut am small. You also need Maggi crevette, pepper, white pepper, and salt. Njanga rice no need plenty ingredient dem. Na my rice that for corner dey wey I don wash am. I don strain am so that when I wan fry the rice, water no go dey enter my pot. You see the way I dey fry the rice? I no show una some ingredient, oil. I know you already dey roll your eyes. Normally, our grandma dey used to use na red oil for make Njanga rice, but you see my house member dem, they like na groundnut oil Njanga rice, so na thing that why I dey make am. Because no be me one I chop all the chop, or if you say na me one, no be me one. No be me one I dey chop all the chop, so I dey make am for me and my house members. Okay, so I go fry the rice. The reason why I like to fry my rice so na say I like am when rice dey one. I no like me soggy rice, so I dey fry am. Normal. Our grandma me dem no be used to do this thing, but me I dey do am. Okay, after I don fry the rice, so I go add my onions and then I go add tomatoes. The reason I say wetin make e fry too alongside the rice, e go fry. When the tomato go make like say e don die, the tomato and the onion go become wetin this chef dey used to talk say wetin translucent. You go fit see through the onion. E go don soft, water go don comot for e skin, even for the tomato. Now I go come back and add my crayfish. I go add all my ingredients wey I don show now. My salt, my Maggi crevette, my garlic and ginger. I go add all, then I add water, and then I lock the pot. I come back 30 minutes after. Chop done. It's in a concoction. As you just jam the ingredients together, mix and pour water. Set two. It done. If you get pear for house, move the pear now. Start washing because more time rice go done. Bring your pan. Njanga rice na that chop wey I used to forget am. I dey ever forget say something dey like Njanga rice. Then the month wey I go just remember am for my head, I go cook and saute and then my family member dem too, they go dey ask am that particular rice like that you used to put fish, that particular rice like that, mommy, that rice. All man go wan chop the rice. Even my husband like the rice. Then after we just abandon and let's say e need to exist. Now so it happen for your own house. You dey ever cook Njanga rice, or you then have fried rice and all the other kind rice them. Anyways, cover your pot. Leave the pot for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes maximum. Njanga rice go do done. Now I rice that done. Very easy, very simple. For your mind now, so you know you say I don't know how to talk English. Let me shock you. I can speak English. Our rice is ready. I'm about to serve it. Give me a minute. If you care, no subscribe to the channel. No subscribe. If you care, leave no subscribe. Now the subscribe button that they look you for down there, you want to go, subscribe. Why? Wait to be a reason. What is your reason for that? I beg subscribe. No shout. I beg na beg. But if you care, no subscribe. If you care, no subscribe. If you care, you go, no subscribe. You'll see come back. Hey, what a chaotic voiceover. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I just thought to share with you guys this my Njanga rice recipe. The rice was so delicious, and for some reason I just felt like speaking in pidgin and disturbing you guys. If you're already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. See you guys on the next one. Bye.